guys, it's Martin 2HD here, and today we're going to do a Lego toy review. Today we have the deal Breakout, and it's a kind of a small set. Let me tell you the features. There's only one mini figure, and that is a Robert. He's actually supposed to be in the video, so I'm going to put him back in. Okay. Now, here's why it's called the deal Breakout. Because people break out. Okay, this deal just slides right in like that. Sorry this is such a short video, but bye. See you next time on Martin 2HD.